If you want to lock Google Chrome with a password and keep your browser private, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you share your computer with family, coworkers, or anyone else, adding a Chrome lock is a great way to protect your tabs, your history, and your personal browsing activity. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu with all of your browser settings and tools. From here, hover over Extensions. This will reveal a submenu, and in that menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. That will take you to the official extension marketplace where you can find the browser lock tool. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, click the search bar and type Browser Lock. After that, look for the extension called Browser Lock Chrome Lock Browser. Make sure you choose the correct one so you know you're installing the right extension for password protection. Once you find it, click on the extension listing to open the details page. On the extension page, you'll see an option that says Add to Chrome. Click that button to begin the installation process. Chrome will then show a permissions window letting you know what the extension can access. This is completely normal for browser extensions, so take a moment to review the prompt and confirm that it's the correct extension. If everything looks good, click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will now download and install the extension automatically. This usually only takes a few seconds. After the installation is complete, you'll want to click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome. This is the Extensions menu, and it lets you access all of your installed browser add-ons. Inside that menu, find Browser Lock and click it to open the setup window. Now the extension will ask you to create your password. Type in a strong password that you can remember, because you'll need it every time you want to unlock Chrome. After entering your password, click Complete Setup. And that's it. Your Chrome browser is now protected with a password using Browser Lock. From this point on, anyone who tries to open or access the browser will need the password you created. That makes this a simple but effective way to keep your browsing private and secure. If you ever want to change the password or adjust the extension settings, you can go back to the Extensions menu and open Browser Lock again. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides, browser tips, and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.